Hey guys, good morning. Just waiting for Raj. He's going to come here and we are going to go on a bike ride with my jacket on. I just took it out of the parking. So guys, there's been so much rain in Fort Lee, New York, Jersey, and we've not had a chance to ride the bike. We don't like riding in the rain unless we have to. So the bike is nice and clean. You saw the wash video. We did a wash of the bike and a little dust. But yeah, taking out the bike after some time. So Raj is nearly here. I had to fill some air. I don't know, in the BMW the air pressure drops very fast. So Harley Davidson, I used to check the air once in a month maybe, but the BMW, I don't know, the air pressure is going down very fast. I don't know if it's because of these tires. Maybe different kind of tires than the Harley Davidson, but anyways, I've got my gloves and my Harley Davidson mesh jacket because I don't have a BMW mesh jacket. So, but in a month it's going to be cold, so then the winter leather jackets and the winter jackets will start. And today I'm taking my open face helmet. So I'm not planning to do any moto vlog per se, but I will talk to you whenever we stop. We're just going for a local ride, nothing far. Raj and I both have to get back home before 1 o'clock today. Spend time with the family. So that's going to be a short ride. And I've just about completed 1,000 miles on this bike. I know it would have been at least 3,000 or 4,000 if it wasn't for the lockdown. But I've just done 1,000 miles because of the lockdown, and obviously I've not been able to ride very far. So yes, I'll make a 1,000-mile review of the bike too. I mean, nothing great, it's all been excellent. There's no complaints of the bike at all. So yes, I'll make that review very soon. The tank guard is holding up well. Very important when you have a jacket with a zipper. This is my RAM mount which I put the phone on, but I believe there's a new kind of RAM mount which is better. So yes, let's see. I may, because sometimes this gets a little shaky and I have to keep checking that everything is tight and in order. Like you know, the panniers have been removed and kept in my house, so no panniers. The bike is nice and lean and naked, only the top box. So panniers will only come out when I go for an overnight trip. So the panniers are just stuck in the room now. Alright, Raj must be stuck somewhere. Raj is about 20 minutes late, so he's just about to arrive. So Raj, if you're watching this, you owe me another lunch at your beautiful house. And make sure it happens soon so we can meet. What is this? You left Hoboken like 45 minutes ago and you're not here. Anyways.
It's a brushed finish, it's not painted, right?
No, it's brushed, sanded down and then just...
there's no paint on it.
Really cool.
Love it.
The worst thing is that right there. It's already starting to rust a little bit. Yeah.
They didn't put any lacquer on it or anything?
They did, I don't know why.
Guys, hope you liked the ride. Actually, very happy to complete 1,000 miles on the BMW. 600 miles was the service and now I completed 1,000 miles. Very less, but with the COVID and the busy life we have, I think riding that much is more than enough. You know, when you have kids and everything, the weekends just go with the family, you know, so the bike riding becomes secondary. But a long trip is due and I will plan one soon. So Raj and I were talking about doing some overnight rides, etc. So this ride you saw was actually Sunday. The bike ride was Sunday. Today's Tuesday. I've been a little busy, so not vlogging every day. But this segment is very important because I want to understand this whole Binod or Vinod or whatever. This Binod comment is coming a lot on my Instagram and YouTube. And I know I asked on Instagram and a lot of people explained. So I have some idea that there was a video by Slaypoint about some guy who comments about his own name Binod on every big YouTuber's comment section. And then that Binod went viral. So I'm understanding it, but a lot of people have messaged me even to name my Tesla Binod. And I was like, oh God, what the hell is going on? So I did my own research and found out Binod is now the biggest meme in Indian YouTube space. So it's fun. It's amazing because when I get 300 Binod, people have written Binod like 300 times in one comment. It's hilarious. And then there's OP. OP I thought was original post when it comes to YouTube comments or something, OP. But now I've got to know OP means overpowered. So I know that a lot of these gaming channels like Tanmay Bhatt and Flying Beast and everything, they are saying the word OP or the alphabets OP a lot. So yes, I'm learning. I'm a fast learner and I'm learning. So yes, just discovering the Binod effect, and I thought let me also join the bandwagon. So Binod OP, maybe I should name my BMW OP, overpowered, and maybe I'll name the Tesla Binod. Let's see. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the ride. We are going out now. It's Tuesday. We're going out to do some errands, and I'll try and make more videos this week. Sorry, it's been a bit slow, but go check out my previous video of Raj's LP collection after you see this video. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Take care, stay safe, bye, and please subscribe.